Hi, my name is Chinedu from Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is 31st of August 2025. I'm excited as usual. We had a great week last week. Our analysis was on fire. We made massive profits, massive pips last week. In fact, I'm going to be showing you what we made from our sniper entry strategy alone for this month of August. We made over 12,000 pips. As usual, if this is your first time of joining our weekly analysis or first time of watching our video here, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Let me quickly show you all our social media handles so that you follow us. You don't follow the wrong one. This is our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can see this is Dubiss Forex Academy, our YouTube channel. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then on Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy, you can see the right one, Dubiss Forex Academy, 11K followers. You can follow us on Facebook. Please, not just only following us, we want you to comment on I want to see your comment always. Please follow us and then comment. Right, this is Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram. Please follow us, Dubiss Forex Academy. This is the right one, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram. Then you can follow us on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, just look for CEO Dubiss Forex Academy. This is LinkedIn, all right? Follow us on LinkedIn. This is the right account on LinkedIn. Then follow us on TikTok. Dubiss Forex Academy on TikTok. You can see it here, Dubiss. You can start with Dubiss or Dubiss Forex Academy on LinkedIn. This is the right one. Follow us on LinkedIn. All right. So these are all our social media handles. Follow the right one. Then on Telegram, right? Let me show you Telegram so that you follow us on Telegram. This is our Telegram account where we send free signal services. Please, we send free signals here. Just subscribe to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, the one that have Win Forex with Dubiss. All right. So once you search with Win Forex with Dubiss, you can see the link Win Forex with Dubiss together. You see our Telegram channel. All right, our free Telegram channel. You can see the massive pips what we made for the month of August. This is amazing. You can see all the trade average of 500 to 1,000 pips daily. That's what we make. So 20 days of trading, and then we made 12,235 pips within 20 days of trading. This is amazing. Only 5 loss we had throughout the month of August, and then you can see the number of wins, 148 wins. This is just today is that 1st of August, so today is Sunday. There's no trade. Market will open 10 midnight today. So these are our result for the month of August. I want to say congratulations to Dubiss and all the people that have been following us. So let's go over and see the what happened within last 1 week. Remember when I made a video? Go and watch our previous video if you have not done that. Remember when I dropped analysis on gold? I told you that we are bullish on gold, and I draw this triangle, symmetrical triangle, and I told you guys that price most likely is going to break upwards. I told you that the probability of breaking upward is more than 95 to 99% that it will break upwards and move higher. And I told you guys that once price close above 3400, and once we see price close above 3400, the next point is 3450, and then from there price could get to 3,700 per ounce of gold. I even told you that price could get to 4,000 per ounce of gold. Guys, the movements have started though. It's not that gold will not sell at a point, all right? But every retracement you see on gold, take it as an avenue to buy. On a long time, gold is going to 3,700, even up to 4,000 per ounce of gold. Go and watch our previous videos if you have not done that. So let's measure how many pips we made from the day we were here. The last time we made video last week Friday, all right? And from here, and you can see over 1,000 pips, 1,200 and something pips. This is amazing. This is awesome. For those of you that joined us last Monday, you can see from last week Monday, that joined, this was Monday, those that joined will be still making close to 1,000 pips, 900 pips plus. This is amazing. Congratulations once again. So, this week from tomorrow, 1st of September, most likely we could be seeing price trying to maybe retest this triangle, symmetrical triangle, and then from there, boom, price will fly up. Follow us on all social media handles. I want to see your comments. If you made profit, please can you indicate by sharing your thoughts. Let us know how much pips you've made from this analysis on the comment section. And let me tell you, in this month of September, we have a lot of gifts. A lot. We are going to be adding a lot of people to our Signal services for free. So we are going to be giving out so many promo that is going to go on. And so many of you are going to win this just by following us, just by making comments, just by engaging in our content. Once you engage, and then we see that you are one of the top followers that have been engaging in our comments, then we will give you Signal voucher that is worth 40,000 naira, $25, $60, $100, $150 worth of Signal vouchers. Some will have access to join our academy for free. I mean, we'll add you to our academy for free, and that is something worth over $200. We'll add you for free of charge. But you need to show working by following us judiciously, and then sending in your comments. The more you comment, the more you stand a chance to win our Signal vouchers, to win our some packages, some promos, some things we want to give out for free of charge. The more you comment, the more you stand a chance to join the academy for free. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. So once again, for gold, I can tell you that we are going to continue to buy gold. Any retracements, we use that as a avenue to buy. So we'll continue to give signals. If you go to our Telegram channel, VIP channel, you see where you can see our signal we normally send. These are the results that you see that those signals are actually real. You can see, anyone you tap, you see when it was sent, and you see when we started buying gold last week on Friday. This trade is all the TPs. So see when it was sent, and then you see also when it was updated. You can see when it was sent. Look at it when you tap here, you see when it was sent. Look at when it was sent, and we keep on updating people. Look at when it moved 30 pips, we updated it. So we update every damn thing, we update it, update people. I seen it. So you see, when we smash TPs, we also send people to let them know we have smashed TPs. Okay. You can see some things people are saying. Okay. Look at the wonderful feedback we are getting from people. Read it for yourself. You see good feedback people are sending to us. These are good feedback we are receiving from people. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back and see Euro USD. You can see Euro USD. Euro USD is still very much active for a buy. So we are still buying Euro USD. So it's still open Monday. You can still join on the buy. So on a long time, Euro USD respected this channel. So we are still buying Euro USD. Okay, this is the target where we are going to. So for GBUSD, very much. GBUSD is still, you can see it's still respecting our zone. Look at where we started buying, and price came back, retested this liquidity zone, so it's still a buy. GBUSD is still very much active, still the same, nothing changed for GBUSD. For USD, nothing changed. So if you watch our previous video, you see most of them are still valid. The sell is still very much intact because price is still below this liquidity zone. Nothing changed. It's still very much intact. still looking for a momentum, for an impulsive move for price to break up from this consolidation. You can see how many days this is daily time frame: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. For over 22 days, price has been ranging here. So we want, a price to just, break up from this range and then fall. So for USD CHF is still gradually moving towards what we analyze can see. This is a liquidity zone. I told you that price will come down. That if you want to buy, wait for price to mitigate this zone from here before you can see this is a demand zone for price to move up. So at the moment, price is going down as analyzed. So there's still room more down. Let's see how many pips. Let's just measure and see how many pips so far from our liquidity zone. So it's still within 80, 90 pips. So that is USDCHF moving slowly. Then GBAUD has given us enough pip. Congratulations once again. I told you guys that it will move down more. So this is almost 400 pips. All right, for this week, price have moved down. I gave you watch the video, you see the day told me that price will go down. So this one respected the liquidity zone, and from there, boom, price is down close to 400 pips. AUD remember last video I made when price move inside this channel, I told that price will move up more. So let's measure and see those that joined the trade. I make this video here, price was here. I told you that from here price will move up more. So this is like 80 pips for those that join the trade. Congratulations. So we let me take this up so that you understand where we are going. So once this particular liquidity zone is broken, price will move further up towards this upper zone here. This is where we are anticipating this price to get to. Let's measure and see how many pips we are still waiting for from where price is right now. So over 160 pips. That is for AUD So there's still more room for upward move. Let's see AUD card. The same thing. AUD card played out exactly from here. You can see another symmetric triangle that have been identified on AUD card. So price will still continue to move up. Once this liquidity zone is broken, then we could see price coming to this zone and probably to this point. So at the moment, price is still within inside this symmetrical triangle. Slowly, price is moving towards the target. CHF price is still ranging within that zone. There's no great move, still the same, no change. All right, Euro AUD. Euro AUD, okay. Euro AUD is another pair that have given us enough pips. Remember the last video, go and watch the last video. From there, price has moved over 230 pips. So Euro AUD is still going gradually towards our direction. Towards, look at the zone where we're anticipating price to get to. This is demand zone. So Euro AUD still gradually moving over 200 pips collected. All right, Euro GBP came back to the zone. And remember, we told you to always go to our zone and see the highlight. If you check, you see the price. This zone is within around 0.8600 area. All right, 0.8600 area. So that is the liquidity zone. Okay, these are the liquidity zone. So price went back to it. So if you measure from the zone, you see price is still gradually moving back. This is like 50 something pips. Euro GBP is always very low, though the pip value is very high, but it's very slow, Euro GBP, for my likings. But price still moving as analyzed. Then let's go to Euro GBP, Euro JPY. Euro JPY, there's no much move. Price is still ranging, it has not moved. All right. Then the same thing with JPY. So JPY pairs did not make significant move within this week. All right. So I just need to show you more. GB card. GB card is moving gradually as analyzed from our liquidity zone. Let's see how many pips. This is over 200 pips. So this is where we anticipate the price to get to 200 pips. Price is still going gradually. Follow our analysis and follow the direction. Look at Euro SZD. Euro SZD have come down. Remember, we're here. I told you that price has broken this liquidity zone here and went to this week here. From here, I told you that price will come down to retest. So this is over 230 pips, 230 pips, Euro NZ. Guys, wow, analysis is spot on. If you are not watching this video to the end, you're really missing. Look at price at the moment. If you want to buy, you need to hold on because we want to see whether this is a fake out, whether price will break back into this zone. Because price could still break this liquidity zone coming back, and then from there price will move down. So our new analysis right now is price could actually break here and then come down here. All right, or if here is respected, price will move up. So how do we know if here is going to be respected? It's by price action, what we are seeing, and that is where the signals come in. When we see the signal and we send it, I asked you in the last video to comment if you want us to give you entry points apart from good to also send, more especially on our free group. Only few of you commented. When I see more comments, and then I can decide to know if I see more comments, then we'll do that. We'll give you a free entry points for other pairs except gold. All right. Because what we are doing now, we are giving one trade or maximum two for free on our free Telegram channel. That's Euro AUD. Euro AUD is also moving gradually as analyzed. All right. So price is moving gradually. 240 pips. Euro AUD. Guys, our analysis is on fire. Finally, let's look at Euro card. I did not analyze Euro card before now, and then USD card. These are the two that I want to add. So, like I said, for Euro card, this is analysis for Euro card, guys. All right, I've identified the liquidity zone. These are the liquidity zone highlighted. All right, identified. So Euro card is the channel currently where price is moving. So we are going to see more movement downwards, right? So I'm going to leave this. So price will come back to this. You can see this liquidity zone. So this is where price is coming, and you can see that this liquidity zone here coincides with this trend line that I just draw right now. This is the channel where the price is moving. So price most likely coming down to this trend line here. Then the same thing with USD card. All right. There was this just I did not analyze it last week for you guys, but I saw this sell on H4. Actually saw it on H4. This is an impulsive move. Price retracing, another impulsive move. So we'll just see another, retracement, consolidation, retracement. Before you know it, another impulsive move again for USD card, and this is where it's coming. Price is coming down to this liquidity zone here. If you measure where price is right now, you see we still have almost over 150 pips more for price to get to this liquidity zone. All right, so let's look at fundamentals. These are fundamentals for this week. All right, and then if you go to Forex Factory, you will see. So when you go to forexfactory.com, this is where I like to go and look at some economic news calendar. There are other places you can see that. But let me just tell you one thing. If you're technically right, then fundamental will just confirm it. So just go there, look at the red folders. Like this week now, we have ISIM, manufacturing PMI for US dollar. You can see some of the red folders. Then just goods job openings. This actually caused good to move this last week. We had that news also within last week. Then the most important thing about fundamental this week is the non-farm payroll. NFP. This week is NFP. Non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, right? Both CAD and US dollar. So Friday will be hot. There's going to be great movement on Friday. So you can go there and look at the economic news, look at the folders, check the previous forecast and actually wait for the news to come out. These are the things that move the market. Okay, so today I don't want to stay long. Once again, follow us on our social media handles. This is our TikTok, this is our LinkedIn, this is our Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy, this is our Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us. And then, of course, this is our YouTube, Dubiss Forex Academy. And then remember to follow us on Telegram. Look at our Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy, the one I have, Win Forex with Dubiss. Then follow us, look at this, Win Forex with Dubiss. So thank you very much, guys. Register with our broker, FBS and FX Pro. These are two brokers, FBS and FX Pro. Register with our broker, with our link. Just check. I will be dropping the link also on this video so that you can pick it there. You can follow us on Telegram. You see the link; they are all there. So thank you very much, guys. Once again, this month of September, we are entering from tomorrow. We are going to give a lot to people that are following us and are making comments. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.